The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. If you would take, you must first give. This is the beginning of intelligence. A good traveler has no fixed plans and is not intent on arriving. Do the difficult things while they are easy, and do the great things while they are small. A journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step. When you are content to be simply yourself and don't compare or compete, everyone will respect you. The truth is not always beautiful, nor beautiful words the truth. When the student is ready, the teacher will appear. When the student is truly ready, the teacher will disappear. Fill your bowl to the brim, and it will spill. Keep sharpening your knife, and it will blunt. Success is as dangerous as failure. Hope is as hollow as fear. Because one believes in oneself, one doesn't try to convince others. Because one is content with oneself, one doesn't need others' approval. Because one accepts oneself, the whole world accepts him or her. If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you are anxious, you are living in the future. If you are at peace, you are living in the present. Manifest plainness, embrace simplicity, reduce selfishness, have few desires. So the unwanting soul sees what's hidden, and the ever-wanting soul sees only what it wants. Close your mouth, block off your senses, blunt your sharpness, untie your knots, soften your glare, settle your dust. This is the primal identity. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. Stop thinking and end your problems. I have just 3 things to teach: simplicity, patience, compassion. These 3 are your greatest treasures. The power of intuitive understanding will protect you from harm until the end of your days. Those who know do not speak. Those who speak do not know. Knowing others is intelligence. Knowing yourself is true wisdom. Mastering others is strength. Mastering yourself is true power. Life is a series of natural and spontaneous changes. Don't resist them. That only creates sorrow. Let reality be reality. Let things flow naturally forward in whatever way they like. Hope and fear are both phantoms that arise from thinking of the self. When we don't see the self as self, what do we have to fear? Health is the greatest possession. Contentment is the greatest treasure. Confidence is the greatest friend. Countless words count less in the silent balance between yin and yang. To hold, you must first open your hand, let go. Great acts are made up of small deeds. New beginnings are often disguised as painful endings. Not knowing is true knowledge. Presuming to know is a disease. First realize that you are sick, then you can move toward health. He who knows that enough is enough will always have enough. Take care with the end as you do with the beginning.